All right, so it's summer. Everybody wants some LED lights or some sort of lights in their pool. This is it. But you don't want to pay the price by adding certain things into your pool. You want to make sure you have something simple to remove and put back. Now, if you want to leave it permanent, they do give you the actual cement for it, right? So that's an option you have in here. But if you don't want to leave it permanent, if you have above ground, you have to put it away every year and you got to deattach it. This is perfect. This is magnetic. So that means the suction cups are going to go inside the water if you want, or on the outside, either way. And it basically just attach them to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this on the outside and just magnetic this all around the pool. So we're going to have 4 LED lights. They're rechargeable. And to turn them on, it's simple. There's an on button here in the back. You hold down the bar button, and then if you lose the control, you can actually do this. Look at that. And I find that this controller works with a lot of different controllers that I currently have. So it's perfect for outdoors. So we're going to set these up, all 4 of them. We have 2 controls, 2 also they're available. So let's go see how it looks at night. All right, I just want to show you the actual lights at night, how they look. Beautiful, outstanding lights. I do have the remote control here, and we could change all the lights. Look at this. Changing the lights completely. I'm going to try to see if I can stand a little bit farther away. I love this blue light. And of course, you know, if you want, you could turn them all off here. You can turn them back on. Look at this. I'm going to try to see if I can get a little higher so you guys can see how beautiful designs they have. And here's the control. We're going to remote control. And I have the control set up in 4 different areas. And I do have a floater that works with the same control for some reason. Look at that. Beautiful at night. They got different modes too. If you guys can see, it's right here, and I do have a magnet. I'm not sure if you can see the magnet right here. It's attached to the light. Beautiful modes. Very simple to install. If you don't want to glue it, you can do the suction cups, or do the same thing, the magnets, like I do. All right, so at the end of the day, when they need to be recharged, you can just take them out, recharge them with the type C, but to conserve power, just turn them all off. And like I said, this control works with even my other additional floater that I have. So it's very simple out of the box. Hope you guys enjoy this video.